Alrighty, well, tree work has been pretty slow for me. Been busy at my day job, and I've been doing some vacationing, snowmobiling and stuff like that up in Michigan. And as you can see here, our Ohio weather's been pretty mild. Been kind of rainy and cold, and so really I haven't had any tree jobs. So I'm okay with that, I guess. I'm not a professional, so I just kind of do what I can do and say no to what I can't do. So, but I did do a couple pine trees. This was a year ago, I think. I'm pretty sure I got a video of them. But anyhow, they're nice. I think it's blue spruce, maybe. I don't know. So I'm thinking of maybe trying to mill them. They're out at my dad's right now, and maybe I want to debark them today and see what kind of size I can get out of them, cut wise, length. I don't know, just how I'm going to do it. Imagine there's an easier way to do this. Right now, this is all I got. Actually coming off not too bad. My mill don't go big enough for this end, but I might as well debark it. Kind of whittling away at it here. Kind of a nice day. Just got back from snowmobiling with the family, and I went ahead and took Monday off. Come out here and fiddle fart around with this, and since I ain't got no tree work, and come out to my dad and spend some time with my dad a little bit. something I'm gonna try for with the nails, metal or anything like that. I brought my metal detector out here, so let's see if we can find any nails.